こんにちは。今日はブリの照り焼きと付け合わせにキッカカブを作ります。
Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with Dog. First, we prepare a turnip for kikakabu, which is a pickled turnip shaped in a flower. Remove the top of a turnip and peel the skin. Place it between two chopsticks and slice very thin. In this way, you can prevent the turnip from breaking apart. Rotate the turnip by 90 degrees and you do the same cutting again. Now, let's prepare salt water for pickles. Add water and salt in a small plastic bag and shake it to dissolve. Put turnips in salt water and leave them about 30 minutes. Let's get another plastic bag and make sweet vinegar sauce. Add vinegar, sugar, seaweed dashi soup and mirin and shake it to dissolve. After 30 minutes, remove the turnips from salt water and squeeze them tight. Soak them in sweet vinegar sauce about 30 more minutes. Let's make teriyaki sauce for grilled yellowtail. Add soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar and mix them all. Now we are going to cook yellowtail. Grill the surface until it becomes golden brown and turn it over. Add teriyaki sauce little by little. Be careful not to cause fire on your pan. Put some sauce on top of the surface while cooking down at medium heat. Okay, let's finish pickled turnips. Peel the skin of yuzu thin and cut into small pieces. Remove the seeds of a red pepper and slice it thin. After 30 minutes, place a pickled turnip on a dish and adjust the shape like a flower. Garnish the turnip with yuzu and red pepper. Teriyaki sauce and sour taste pickles bring out the flavor of grilled yellowtail.
美味しい。
It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck on your cooking.